Welcome friends. Today we are breaking down how VAT, known as IVA, works in the Mexican market. So let's dive in. The primary tax is VAT, applied at a standard rate of 16% on majority of the goods and services. However, reduced rates of 8%, 0% and exemptions exist for certain types of goods and services and regions. There's also a special tax, IEPS, often called as sugar tax, which is applied on products like sugary drinks. Let's take a simple example. Garcia store sells clothes for 250 pesos. With a 16% VAT, that's an additional 40 pesos in tax. Now the customer pays a total of 290 pesos and the store is responsible for sending 40 pesos to the tax authority. Now for IEPS. Lopez store sells 10.5 liters of sugary drinks. The tax is calculated per liter at 1.53 pesos per liter. The total sugar tax added to the bill is 16 pesos. Here's a key challenge. Sellers collect VAT from customers and are supposed to transfer it to the government. However, some sellers kept this money, making it very difficult for the government to track and recover the tax amount. The government's solution was VAT retention. They delegated some responsibility to companies, making them retain a portion of the VAT from their suppliers and pay it directly to the tax authority, ensuring better compliance. Here's how it works. Jennifer invoices Lala's for 960 pesos plus 153 pesos in VAT. Lala's pays Jennifer the full amount minus the retained 102 pesos, which they pay directly to the government. Now, Jennifer remains responsible for paying the remaining VAT on her income. This system ensures the government collects its share upfront. To boost economic growth in border areas, a reduced VAT rate of 8% applies. This is a stimulus for companies operating and delivering goods and services within these specific border regions. Finally, a 0% rate applies to essential goods like food, medicine, and agricultural supplies. Crucially, 0% is different from exemption because businesses can still claim refunds on inputs for 0% invoiced goods, which is a major financial advantage. So to recap, know your rates, understand the sugar tax, and remember the retention system if you are doing business in Mexico. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.